Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Nigeria's Niger Delta region, which is home to crude oil and natural gas that accounts for the bulk of Nigeria's foreign exchange earnings, is a region that is begging for federal government attention and intervention. It is a region overwhelmed by deprivation and decaying infrastructure. Its roads ranks amongst the worst in Nigeria. After several failed attempts by successive governments to fix some of its major roads, Niger Deltans are calling on President Bola Tinubu to change the narrative and fix the important roads in the region like the Warri-Benin road. The Niger Delta has some of the worst roads in Nigeria. Fixing these roads remains a major engineering challenge because of the extremely difficult terrain. Apart from the constantly bad 338-kilometer east-west road, which runs from Efrun near Warri in Delta State to Oron in Akwa Ibom State, the Warri-Sapele-Benin road is another road that is simply a nightmare to travelers. The road, which links Delta and Edo states, is less than 100 kilometers and ordinarily takes about 60 minutes travel time. However, in recent times, commuters on the road now spend up to 8 hours for a single journey. For those driving heavy-duty trucks, they now spend days just to go through the very bad portions of the road around Ibada-Ilume, Sapele, Amukpe, Ogara, and Ologbo. Churchill and Abubakar are both heavy-duty truck drivers.
I reached 4 days here when I joined Go Slow from Koko here to this place now. So, but I don't know which time I will come out for this go slow because the go slow no good. For 2 days I'm not brushing. What do? I have to go and buy toothbrush and buy pure water to brush up to just freshen up. It was the rain that fell this morning because we just try and put the bucket there and pour water in body. That's how we are bathing. They should try and help us because we are passing a lot. Can you see the passengers now? They are dropping from here, they have to use bike down to the other place. They are taking almost 2,000 naira. Then before they board again, we ourselves, we have been here for a very long time. The suffering is too much. The
stretch of the Warri-Benin road is filled with potholes and craters. The median is covered with grasses and bushes, and the entire road is almost without any drains to allow water from the road flow into nearby rivers, streams, and rivulets. The hold-up on the road can sometimes stretch into several kilometers, which exposes commuters to attacks from robbers and dangerous criminals. Also, regular accidents on the road has led to the loss of several lives, as motorbike rider Dominic tells Inside the Niger Delta.
One conductor, now so trailer jam he died for the road here. So Taka will not play, make our house not come back for 1 day because of where they fall for here. Then today, Okada man, he fall, he die because of this bad road. So driver, they don't see where they pass. People where they work out, no problem. Our life is there at risk.
For other road users, the sorry state of the Warri-Benin road is nothing but a continuous reflection of the federal government's neglect of a region that produces the wealth of Nigeria.
They're the operator of Niger Delta. Now we Niger Delta, they produce the oil. No good road.
Niger Delta were in total mess. This is disheartening that somebody doesn't have a good road in this part of Nigeria. Federal government attention needs to be dragged to this place. The oil minerals is coming from here. And as I speak to you now, we don't have nothing to show for it.
Earlier in the year, former President Muhammadu Buhari approved the reconstruction of the Warri-Sapele-Benin road, but up until date, no work has been done on the road. Theophilus, a motorbike rider, and his colleagues are sending out an SOS to President Bola Tinubu to assist in the reconstruction of the Warri-Benin road.
The risk for the road too much. The risk to make a road.
Apart from President Bola Tinubu, the governors of Delta, Right Honorable Sheriff Oburewori and Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, can also engage in some immediate remedial work to ease the burden of commuters on the Warri-Benin road.
Inside the Niger Delta,